In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage access to your files and folders on Google Drive. Whether you're looking to remove someone's access or tighten up your file security by restricting link access, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, let's tackle how to remove a specific person's access to your file or folder. Begin by locating the file or folder in your Google Drive that you want to adjust permissions for. Once you've found it, simply right-click on the item. In the context menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. This action will bring up the Share Settings window, which is your command center for managing access. Here, you'll see a section named People with Access. Within this list, identify the person whose access you wish to revoke. You'll spot a drop-down menu sitting right beside their name, which currently defines the level of access they have. Click on this drop-down menu. It's similar to a small gear-like icon or an arrow, and it will reveal a list of options related to their current permission settings. What we are interested in here is the Remove option. Selecting this will remove that individual's access rights from your file or folder. But wait, you're not quite done yet. To finalize the change, you need to confirm this adjustment. At the bottom of this window, there will be a button that says either Save or Done. Go ahead and click it. This action ensures your file's permissions are updated and their access is officially revoked. Now, let's talk about securing your file further by managing link access. Sometimes files are set so that anyone with the link can view or edit them. If you're looking to restrict this access, it's straightforward and easy to do. Staying within the same share window, look for a section called General Access. You'll see that it details the current access setting, which might be anyone with the link. To tighten the security, you're going to want to change this. Click on the drop-down where it says Anyone with the link, and you'll see an option for Restricted. Select Restricted. This will limit access so that only people you've explicitly shared the file with will have permission to view it. And just like that, with a couple of minutes and a few clicks, you've taken control of your Google Drive sharing settings. These small adjustments can make a big difference in maintaining your privacy and ensuring your files are seen only by who you want to see them. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Google Drive a little more smoothly.